Alright, well this is a video because I tried looking online to find more parts of how to replace this O-ring and the shifter of an 81KZ 1000. I couldn't find anything. Didn't want to pay $400 or $500 a shop wants, so I found a part. Saw about $4 from Z1 Enterprises. I have to get the box. Hang on. They got me everything. Entire carb kit rebuild from the jets, all that good stuff, the gaskets. I got a whole bunch of other stuff from them, but that's for another time. Right now we're doing with this pesky O-ring, and I'll show you what it's doing. It's just steadily dripping. Yeah, no good. So I can't even drive it, and that's the sad thing. But we are here today to fix that problem. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so at the moment, get you more on the bike here. What I have already done on mine is the gigantic plate that goes here. 12mm bolts. 1, 2, and 3 will have your little shaft that holds up your stand, your center stand. I took all that off because I don't have a center stand. However, you have a kickstand. I don't need another center stand. It's wasting weight to me. So take off your 2 bolts, and this whole gizmo will come off. Under that, you will have your shifter will be all connected as such. This is a 10mm. Loosen it. Should jiggle right on off. Set all that stuff off to the side here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. You'll have 2 Phillips heads right here on the side of your plate. We are not worried about those. There you go, get better. So you have these 2 bolts here. We're not worried about those. We're only after the 1, 2, 3, 4. You will also have to take your starter chrome cover off. It is also 2 10mm bolts. Like I said, I've had mine apart to figure out what it was, and then I put it back together and waited for parts. So now we have the parts here. So you have 2 bolts. I'm going to take those off. Your plate will come off. Keep that face down. You don't want to put it. You don't want to put your top cover down because it will scratch up your chrome. So we're going to put it on the ground as such. Then we're going to work on these 10mm bolts. I have me a gun to make it a little easier for myself. A ratchet will do just as fine. They're not entirely tight.
Hey, I'll see you around.